What's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I'm currently grabbing a big ass suction cup and a few pieces of gear, and we're heading up to the Vancouver Island Motorsports Circuit where Ollie is riding motorcycles. I don't think this is something they do very often. It's primarily a car automotive racetrack, test track, or whatever the hell they labeled it. Anyhow, it's primarily for cars, but they are doing a motorcycle track day. He got invited to it. He's been up there since this morning. I came into the office to hammer out a little bit of work, which I have done basically none of. And I'm now gonna just jump back into the Huracan, head up island, throw my suction cup in the car here. I've got some stuff here. I've got the drone. I put a nice little GoPro here, and I've got another one right here, so we got a good shot, kind of like that, looking up over the fender. So let's jump in this beast, put the skateboard away. Jay's motorcycle. Speaking of bikes, this thing is dead sexy. It's an MV Agusta F3. The crazy looking front end, tons of carbon fiber, and this beautiful single-sided swing arm exposing the right side of the wheel, and it's got this triple pipe. I'm pumped. Go film Ollie ripping around on the track on his bike. I don't get to see Oliver ride his bike very often, so this is like a special treat. He's a pro. He's really good. He's been riding professionally for a very long time. I don't even know what type of bike he's riding. Guess we'll find out when we get there. All right, so a quick little description of the drive. Typically leaving Langford to go up island, it's about an hour drive, and you go over the summit pass called the Malahat. It's usually a beautiful drive, but due to road construction expansion, it's not very beautiful, and the speed limit's a horrid 60 kilometers an hour. So with a little movie magic, I'm gonna spare you guys the horror of having to watch this awful dreaded drive, and we'll jump into somewhere where it's a little more scenic. Yeah, call. So I'm gonna turn this off. You can hear all the bikes. Yeah, hello. I'm here for the motorcycle track day.
If you want to come on through, we'll just have you check in at reception in the main building, and we'll get you organized.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We are all checked in. Now to head over to, obviously, the tents where all the bikes are, find Oliver, find a good place to film, and check out some of the action. Yeah, this is a treat because this facility doesn't typically allow motorcycles. What's up, dude? Look at this thing, hey?
Yeah.
How you doing?
I'm good.
What do you think of this track? You've been out on it?
Yeah, this is my second session.
You look like you're warm.
I'm hot.
It's a warm day, isn't it?
Warm day.
This is gonna be fun. A bunch of the guys here have pretty high-powered motorcycles. Oliver rides a much smaller, less powerful motorcycle, but due to his experience, he can keep up with the guys. So we're gonna go and watch this because I want to see him keep up with some of these guys with the faster bikes. All right, we got Ollie right over my shoulder here. Keep an eye on him. He's got the fluorescent yellow leathers on, and I'll point him out when he comes around. You won't be able to miss him. He's pretty much the only person not riding like a full fairing sport bike.
place up. Yeah, we know what we made of. Can't get enough of you, boo, I'm a chaser. Face up, now I feel a little major. Blink of an eye, ego, I'ma take her, shake her. Yeah, she was a ball shaker, she shake me up. No place, yeah. In the back, something like a rose when we came out there, we settled facts like the Vinci. I'm breaking codes and breaking backs. Come on, get your ass up if you're slipping. Get another smile like it was the last Christmas. Hey.
We out, hit the road, have some fun on the way back. I like that, coming out and filming some of the track and motorcycles, something different. Hope that didn't bother you guys. You got car stuff and motorcycles all in one day. Well, sayonara to the track. We definitely need to come back up here, I think, and figure out some sort of track day and take these two beasts out and do like a head-to-head. I mean, they're so different, it's not even really comparable, but it'd make for a fun video. Car, what's the retail on one of those?
More than you can afford, pal. Ferrari.
So we are back in the DDHQ. We had a good day up island, checking out Ollie rip around on some motorcycles, and I just enjoy being around the track life. It's growing on me. So we're gonna look into what type of track time we can get up at the Vancouver Island Motorsports Circuit, so we can put the cars out there and put them to the test and have a little fun.